Tattoo needle cleaning. The ink on the needle. At work, it only takes 3 seconds. It can be rinsed off very easily. Make it easier for you to work. Installation tutorial. Specialty list. The bottom is a magnet device. Suction into the iron workbench. Good. Comes with a soft straw. Install the back end of the machine. Disposable cleaning heads, individually packaged. Can be inserted directly into the hole. If you replace this head, you need to hold the black circle. This way you can pull it out easily. Prepare 2 buckets, one empty and one filled with pure water. Insert the purified water into the hose and place it in place. The empty bucket is placed in front to catch the wastewater left behind. Turn on the switch and start working.